that was a really quick ride over to the island. And now I gotta look and see where my Airbnb is. I think it's only a few blocks, so it shouldn't be a bad walk. So just got to my spot in Isla Mujeres. It's a very populated journey once I got on the ferry. But I'm here. This is my spot. It's pretty simple, but all my necessities are met. And you can see the ocean over there, and obviously right here. And that's because the island is very small. I've yet to eat, so I'm on my way to get something right now. I'm afraid there's going to be too many choices. Excellent. Oh my God, look at this. This is seared tuna with steamed veggies, and it is amazing. Oh my God. I quickly came to realize that a lot of these towns in Mexico have a central area where people go and hang out at night. Here on the island, their center is really cool. They had a really nice basketball court. People were playing, adults and kids, just running around having a good time. It was like pure, clean fun. It felt really wholesome, and there was a strong sense of unity in the air. Just beside the basketball court was a really beautiful old church. I was able to catch the end of a ceremony there, even though I had no idea what they were saying. Again, there were people there smiling, laughing, and having a good time. Say hi, guys. Hello. This is our snorkeling crew. So we've stopped on our snorkeling excursion for some fish. Look at this stuff.
Really good, yeah, thank you. That fish is amazing.
I don't think they're singing though. I thought they were.
Yeah, they're not.
He is. Hold on the keyboard.
Oh, God. Yes, yes. La, la.
This is North Beach. I can see Cancun across the water, and the sun's coming down over here. I guess this is where everybody gathers to watch. Man, it's so beautiful. My next stop was Punta Sur. That's the southernmost point of Isla Mujeres. It's also the easternmost point of anywhere in Mexico. Oh man. Gracias. The sheer force and terror that's brought about by watching these waves crash into these cliffs is just astounding. It sends a chill up my spine. It's nuts to think if I were standing right on that rock, right there, right over there, I would be dead. I'm not the best swimmer, and those rocks are slippery, and just like that, gone, just like that. On the next episode of Getting Fat in Mexico. Ooh, coconut ice cream. So good.